Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter Ampere. And now how to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app here. Click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK here, and you'll see here the information about our device battery health. In my case, that's good. And also here we got another info like the battery level, capacity, voltage, temperature, and more other info like the Android version, the model of our device, and more different information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.